Oh man, I'd have man loved walk when I was a kid. Oh, like, oh man.
That's the one you got?
That's the one I got.
And these are actually up for auction.
Wow. Everything got a QR code. Oh, this is like a little, damn, it's more cars over there. I'm saying it's more cars over there. Man.
Look, remember we were watching that restoration
man,
thing?
this is,
and there was the
and this is
Texaco.
probably what they be doing too.
I wouldn't see it without what he did to it.
This is a different one.
And
dog.
there's a fire chief Texaco.
Yeah, it's a different one, dog. The one that he had.
Oh my goodness. Baby, there's so much cool stuff here.
My God.
Look at the Dr. Pepper vending machine. 10 cents. 10 cents.
Yeah, they don't make shit like this no more. Look at the little weight thing right here. Weigh yourself.
Oh man.
See how big he is. Yeah, this is dope, man.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, baby. Oh my God, there's some more beautiful cars inside over there. Oh, look at the Hummer straight ahead.
You want to go over there?
Yeah, we can take a peek real quick.
Okay.
Shit, we probably can probably find the exit. Nah, we gotta
we just gotta go back out the way we came.
Oh my God.
Oh,
That's a Grand Prix right here.
oh.
That food smells good. We're gonna have to get up out of here. Yeah, we gotta go. We got to go.
Is that what Maya wants?
Yes.
Can you take a picture? Look at the
I got a video. Oh man, look at this, Maya. Oh my God, this mug got
With the seat.
Baby, this mug got a sink. Look at this, Maya.
Honey, Maya, we would come and take a road trip with
Look,
you
got the little
any
pop-up
day.
little camper thing.
Oh.
Oh man, this is hard. We're gonna get you one, Maya, I promise. I promise you that. You got my word. Oh, look at that Chevelle, that orange Chevelle right there. Woo. Yeah.
That's not all, baby. That's not a candy.
What, that orange or this red?
It's like an orange one. It's not a candy.
Oh snap! Somebody got the little bitty Grand Prix off in this thing, boy. Look at that.
I think my uncle had one.
Well, one of them.
Yes.
The mugs is cool. That little two-door little.
That gunmetal.
Man, that gunmetal is different. It hit different. It hit different. I love that color.
This is just, sometimes you just don't got words for certain things.
Man, look, they got all them signs, man.
Yeah, let's go back through
Okay.
that way. Or we can, I think
Oh,
we
it's
go
more.
down there and do
Oh,
this
that's where the
thing
auction.
there.
That's where the auction is. Look like with all the chairs and stuff is down.
No.
Oh, they got both. Oh, they got both motors and everything. Man, they got
No, I'm saying maybe we just go through here and come back around.
I'll come back around. Gotcha. Oh, what is this? A Ford?
Do you have to go to the bathroom?
No, I'm good. You gotta go again?
No.
Yeah, it's the auction
You
over
know, all
here.
my years of living in Indianapolis, I've never walked inside and outside of all of these places.
Oh, they watching it from over here. Oh, we gonna have to go back through that little door. Hold on. Is that what?
No, because I would have got excited.
Nah, it's over
Yeah.
here. So we gotta go back in through over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Ford Gran Torino. Get off my lawn. Yep. Yep. Look, even the little carts for the babies. Yeah, everything is. Look, everything hanging up. Got signs on them. Look at these gas pumps. These are unrestored ones too, probably. Well, that one is. That one's definitely unrestored. I'm talking about they got everything, y'all. For real. Anything y'all looking for, literally. They got it.
Mecum Car Show, Indiana's
Yeah.
first stop.
You heard it from the one and only. Yeah, this is dope, y'all. I ain't never seen little steering wheels. Like, if I need a steering wheel or something, baby, look. For my Mustang. They got everything, man. I always wanted one like that. That's like the old, the GTOs, the old Plymouth. Headers. Oh, God.
People are looking for these people.
Look at that intake.
Put on make
Yeah, look at that intake, man. With the dual carburetor. I'm talking about everything, y'all.
Wow.
This is definitely a must. We coming with that bankroll next time, though. We gonna walk out of here with something. Did we go up out of here?
No, I'm here, baby.
Oh, okay. This is where we came in at, though, down here.
I
Yeah.
just want to go back to where we came in.
If y'all ain't been, y'all definitely need to get here. 2022.
This is what you work hard for.
Tell me.
And
A lot of
You
money.
play hard
It's a
for
lot
it.
of money here,
Look at
and that's a New Yorker right there.
a lot of culture.
L
And the
dog.
car culture.
I love it. Which way we need? Oh, we gotta go this way, y'all.